Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC in Georgia, and how you can do it without a hassle. So, if you're looking to set up your business in the Peach State, this guide is for you. Don't forget to check the description below for links and additional resources. Starting an LLC in Georgia, a simple guide to getting started. Starting a business can be an exciting venture, but the legal paperwork often feels like a maze. Whether you're launching a new startup or planning to establish a side hustle, setting up a limited liability company, LLC, is one of the most popular and straightforward business structures to consider. In this guide, we will explore the steps required to form an LLC in Georgia, along with some tips to ensure your business stays compliant. Let's dive right in. What is an LLC? An LLC, limited liability company, is a business structure that protects its owner's personal assets from business liabilities, such as lawsuits or financial issues. It also offers flexible taxation options, allowing profits and losses to pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. In Georgia, LLCs are popular due to their liability protection, easy setup, and lower maintenance compared to corporations. Step-by-step guide to starting an LLC in Georgia. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Your first step is to choose a unique name for your LLC that complies with Georgia state regulations. The name must include the term limited liability company or abbreviations like LLC or LLC. Additionally, the name must be distinguishable from existing businesses registered in Georgia. To check if your desired business name is available, you can use the Georgia Secretary of State's online business name search tool. 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Georgia must designate a registered agent to receive legal and tax documents on behalf of the company. The registered agent can be an individual or a professional service. If you choose to use a professional service, it will cost around $39 to use Northwest Registered Agent, which is a reliable and affordable option. The registered agent must have a physical address in Georgia and be available during business hours to receive official mail. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. 3. File Articles of Organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file the Articles of Organization with the Georgia Secretary of State. This document includes important information about your LLC, such as LLC name, registered agent information, address of the business, whether the LLC will be managed by members or managers. You can file the Articles of Organization online through the Georgia Secretary of State's website. The filing fee is $100, and it typically takes 1 to 2 business days for your filing to be processed. 4. Create an operating agreement. While an operating agreement is not required by the state of Georgia, it's highly recommended. This internal document outlines the management structure of your LLC, the roles and responsibilities of the members, and how profits and losses will be divided. An operating agreement helps prevent future disputes and ensures that everyone involved is on the same page about how the business will be run. 5. Apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Most LLCs are required to obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This number is used to identify your business for tax purposes. It's free to apply for an EIN, and you can do so directly on the IRS website. Even if you don't plan on hiring employees right away, it's a good idea to get an EIN because you'll need it to open a business bank account, apply for business licenses, and file taxes. 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on the type of business you're operating, you may need to register for Georgia state taxes. Some common state taxes that businesses in Georgia may be required to register for include sales tax. If you sell tangible goods or taxable services, you need to register for sales tax. Employment tax. If you hire employees, you will need to register for unemployment insurance tax and withhold employee taxes. State income tax. LLCs that elect to be taxed as corporations will need to register for state corporate income tax. You can register for state taxes online through the Georgia Tax Center. 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Before you start operating your LLC in Georgia, make sure to check if you need any specific business licenses or permits. The type of business you're running will determine the licenses you need. and these can be issued at the federal, state, and local levels. You can check the Georgia Secretary of State's website for information on professional licenses, and your local city or county office may provide information on local business permits. 8. File biennial reports. After your LLC is officially formed, you are required to file a biennial report with the Georgia Secretary of State. The biennial report provides updated information about your LLC, including its address and registered agent. This report is due every 2 years, and the filing fee is $50. Ongoing compliance requirements. Once your LLC is set up, there are a few ongoing compliance requirements to keep in mind. Maintain a registered agent. You must always have a registered agent on file with the state. If your registered agent changes, you'll need to update the Secretary of State. Pay your taxes. Ensure that you file your taxes and pay any applicable state fees on time. File biennial reports. As mentioned earlier, you must file a biennial report every 2 years. Comply with local ordinances. Be aware of any local business regulations in the city or county where you operate. Costs of starting an LLC in Georgia. The total cost of starting an LLC in Georgia includes the following fees. Articles of Organization filing fee, $100. Registered agent fee, Northwest Registered Agent $39 per year. Biennial report fee, $50, every 2 years. Business license and permit fees, varies by location and industry. The initial setup costs for an LLC in Georgia are relatively affordable compared to other states, and the ongoing maintenance fees are also reasonable. Benefits of starting an LLC in Georgia. Starting an LLC in Georgia offers liability protection, tax flexibility, and an easy filing process, making it an attractive option for many entrepreneurs. Steps to form an LLC in Georgia. Choose a unique name for your LLC. Appoint a registered agent. File the Articles of Organization. Draft an operating agreement. Apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Register for state taxes and obtain necessary licenses. Stay compliant with ongoing state requirements. Cost of using Northwest Registered Agent. The cost to use a professional registered agent like Northwest Registered Agent is $39 per year, an affordable option for entrepreneurs seeking reliable service. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you in starting your LLC in Georgia. If you found this video useful, don't forget to check the description below for additional links and resources. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more business tips and guides. See you next time.